Up to this clear? Right. So this is the class of polygenic inheritance. So see here, parents are, so what genes we discussed? Three genes, capital A, capital B, capital C. And capital A, capital B, capital C genes are what? Dominant. Always in genetics, capital letters indicates dominant only. So what are recessive? Small a, small b, small g. Capital A, capital B, capital C genes. Capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C are the alleles, right? So small a, small a, small b, small b, small c, small c. So capital is dark and small a light. Okay, these are dark color skin people, and these people are light colored skin. And what are the gametes from this? Capital A, capital B, capital C. This is the one gamete. And what type of the gametes are formed from recessive? Small a, small b, small c, right? So these are the parents, dark and light color. These are the gametes. And in F1 generation, what is formed as F1 generation? So intermediate skin color means mixed. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. Okay, these people are intermediate skin color. So cross between F1 generation. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. F1 into F1. So what gametes are formed from each parent, each F1 generation? So what type of gametes here? Here only one type of gamete, capital A, capital B, capital C. Here also only one type of gamete, small a, small b, small c. But here different types of the gametes. First, capital A, capital B, capital C, one gamete as like parent. Next, mixed, capital A, capital B, small c. First take with A, next take with B, you can get it. Next one, capital A, small b, capital C. Next gamete, capital A, small b, small c. Up to this clear? Four different types of the gametes from capital A. Now from small a, so either this or the same, right? Small a, capital B, capital C. Small a, capital B, small c, right? Next, small a, small b, capital C. Next, small a, small b, small c. From each F1 generation, these type of gametes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different types of the gametes are formed. Don't get confused here while you are writing the gametes. Okay, it's very easy. Why? Because there is how many different types of the alleles are there? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 type. So first write with A, capital A. Next write with small a, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital A, capital B, small c, capital A, small b, capital C, capital A, small b, small c, right? Next is with a small. Understood? Right. These are the gametes. Now these gametes with same gametes, F1 into F1, what is formed? F1 into F1 we can derive with Punnett square. Okay, you can show in the Punnett square. Punnett square not given in NCERT, but for your reference we will discuss, right? So here is the Punnett square. We'll decrease the percentage, right? Showing or not showing what these people are. Okay, 60 will put. Okay, fine. we can make it as 50. All right, fine, 50 is fine. Okay, F2 generation, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 type of gametes. Here also 8 into 8, 64 types of 64 not types, 64 offsprings are formed, right? You can make the Punnett square and you can do it, right? These are gametes, these are gametes. And the phenotypic ratio in polygenic inheritance is 1 is to 6 is to 15 is to 20 is to 15 is to 6 is to 1. There is different types of the colors are formed, more dark, more light, there is intermediate color, less dark, less light, less light. So there is different types of the colors are formed in this F2 generation. Means dark and light. Parents are completely dark and completely light. Both parents are. In F1 generation, intermediate skin color. In F2 generation, there is different types of the colors. Different colors means what? More dark, more light, less dark, less light, and intermediate, like that. So this is total 64 offsprings are formed. Okay, this is for your reference only. This Punnett square not given in NCERT. Up to this clear, right? Okay, this is regarding about polygenic inheritance. Once again, I am repeating here. Parents capital A, capital B, capital C, and small a, small b, small c. Capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, and small a, small a, small b, small c, small b, small c, small c. These are dark, these are light skin colored. Gametes are ABC, ABC here. F1 generation gamete mixed, capital A, capital small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. These are intermediate skin color. Cross between F1 generation, F1 into F1, right? So what are the gametes are formed? 8 different types of the gametes. You can make a Punnett square and you will get F2 generation. So how many total? That is, total number is 64 offsprings are formed, right? How many types? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 types of offsprings are formed, right? Up to this clear here, right? This is regarding about polygenic inheritance. In next class, we'll move to sex determination characters, right? Thank you very much. Bye bye.